Hi there, how are you doing? Today's April Yoga Challenge 2020 is very special. You see, this posture is not too much demanding on the muscle and the strength. It is more relaxing and called Kapotasana. Kapotasana. So this posture is ideal for everyone because we are sitting all day long in the cars, at work, on our desk and everywhere, and this is very good for the hips. So without doing any further ado, let's get it started. So I will show you first how it is done, and then we will do it for 2 rounds. So let's get it started. Okay, so I show you how to do it. It's very simple. I start in the front view so you can see exactly what is going on. So we're stepping back with the left leg and bring the right leg on the bend. When you do this bend, the left leg is straight out. Here we stay straight as possible, and with deep inhalation, slowly exhale and spread the hands out and gently bring the head down. And deep breathing. You see here the back, especially the lower back, is parallel with the ground, not one side or the other. Right center, balance, and deep breathing. So we stay here for the count of 5, and same we do it opposite side. I show you from the side angle. So we are bending our left knee, and the leg is nicely bent, feeling the stretch from the hip down to the toe, straight line. Deep breath in, head is up, exhale, gently going down. As you go down, stretching out, and deep breathing. Slowly bring your forehead on the ground and deep breathing. So just staying in this posture for the count of 5. So this is it, very simple, and let's get it started. Okay, that is the April Yoga Challenge 2020. We are doing a Kapotasana. Inhaling deep, stepping with the right leg forward, bending the right knee with deep inhalation, opening the chest, exhale, gently going down, stretching the hands out, bringing the forehead on the mat. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Just focus on your deep navel breathing. Eyes are open, shoulders are as relaxed as possible, finding this deep stretch. And letting go with every exhalation. 2. Deep breath in, deep out. 3. 4. Have the awareness of the leg in the back that is straight. Deep breathing. 5. Inhale deep, slowly head is up, using the hands, holding the same breath and slowly coming back up. Exhale. Now the left side same way, deep breath in and bring the left leg out straight. With a deep inhalation here, opening the chest, eyes looking in the center of the eyebrows. Exhale, slowly going down. Stretching the hands out, forehead on the ground. Deep breathing. So when you're breathing deep, you're able to feel your navel and your belly expanding out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Really relaxing posture, very passive, but with active breathing, having the awareness on the body. And this is absolutely healing pose. 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, full breath in, slowly using the hands, gently coming back. And second round, and the last one. You ready? Now slowly bring the right knee bent forward, the left leg straight out from the hip down to the toe, straight line, with a deep inhalation opening the chest. Exhale slowly and gracefully going down, stretch. Eyes looking down at the tip of the nose and deep breathing in the navel. 3, Complete inhalation, complete exhalation. Four. Stretch the toe out. 5. Inhale deep, head up. Using the head, slowly we are going back. Exhale. Now the left side, last time. Inhaling deep, full breath, straight leg, deep inhalation, opening the chest. Exhale, gently going down. Stretch, open the heads out wide. Bring the forehead on the ground. Eyes looking at the tip of the nose and deep breathing. 1. 2. Prolonged breath. And feeling this deep stretch in the body, that you're stretching your hands further away from the body, your legs stretching out. Deep breathing. 3. 4. 5. Inhale deep, head up. Using hands, slowly coming back in the center. Exhale. Alright. Here we lay down and rest in Shavasana. Slowly lay down. Palms are facing upward. Gently eyes are closed and relax here for a few minutes. Great, I'm so happy that you have done it. 5 days now, one after one, very challenging poses you have done. And now, so from here on, now we will get in asanas, we will stand up and forward bend and so much more. I'm not going to talk so much about it yet. You just wait for the upcoming days and stay tuned to the April Yoga Challenge 2020 now. I wish you all the very best. Have a wonderful day and have a wonderful start of your week. And I also want to take this opportunity to remind you to ask your friends to join the April Yoga Challenge. They would love it. Great. My name is Manoj and I would like to see you tomorrow again for April Yoga Challenge 2020. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.